Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no internet connection in Google Play Store. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile phone. Once it opens, then here you need to scroll down. Then here you have this option of apps. Click on it, then again scroll down. Once you scroll down, then here you have the option of Google Play Store. Click on it, then app info of Google Play Store will appear on your screen. Here you have the option of storage. Tap on it. First click on clear data and then clear cache of this app. Once you done this, then go back to apps and click on Google Play Services. Once you done this, then app info of Google Play Services will appear. Then here you have the option of storage. Tap on it. At the bottom on the left side of the screen, you have this option of manage storage. Tap on it. Then here you have this option of clear all data. For fixing internet connection, tap on this option. Once you done all these steps, automatically internet connection problem is solved. So this is how you can fix no internet connection in Google Play Store. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.